Hi there. Welcome to Opus Touch. Ready to open an account with us? Go to touch.opusasset.com and click on Register. You can choose to do this either by Google or other email providers. Fill in your email address, name, mobile number, and invitation code if any. Check the boxes required if you agree with the terms and conditions and if you meet all the criteria mentioned. Finally, click on Register and an activation link will be sent to the registered email. Click on the activation link to confirm your password. You may now set up your profile in order for us to understand your risk tolerance and other preferences. Now, select the fund that you would like to invest in. We recommend that you read the terms and conditions and other documents provided before you invest. Next, you'll be prompted to take a photo of your IC using your camera-enabled device. You are now ready to make your first investment either via FPX or Boost e-wallet. For easier access in the future, we recommend that you add the Opus Touch login website as your bookmark. Got any questions? Just call our friendly client services team at 03-2288-8833 or email them at clientservices@opusasset.com. Happy investing!